Guys, so a little while ago I built myself this great big nitro helicopter, and in this video we're going to start it up for the first time, running the engine, and then we're going to take it out for a little fly. And hopefully we're going to get it back in one piece. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. And I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. So although these are great toys and you can have some great fun with them, you do have to be a little bit careful. When these are going at full chat, the tip speed here is going at around about 300 miles per hour. I think there's something like 100 kilos pulling on each blade. So if one of these blades come off, there's going to be complete carnage. And if these blades hit you, then they can quite easily cut off limbs and heads and stuff like that. So we've got to be a little bit careful. But we'll be alright. We're professionals here. Check this thing out, guys. We've got the nitro engine sitting in here. We've got carbon fibre frames, carbon fibre blades, all alloy here in the rotor head. Check out all these lovely servos. Hopefully it's still going to look like that a bit later on. So first of all, we've got to tank it up, and I'm going to be using this 25% heli mix. So to run it in, I'm just going to let it idle for a little while on about half a tank, and then we're going to go and fly it. But just for the sake of the first tank, I'm just going to go ahead and take the blades off, just so it's not all going to be spinning around while it's sat there. All right, we're ready for action. Right, I think this glow starter's playing up, guys, so I'm just going to stick this on there and see what happens. Oh! I was looking for that the other day. So I'm just going to let it carry on running like that, make sure that it's not getting too hot. If the back of the engine is too hot to touch, it's too hot to run. So we have to richen it up a little bit. And then we're going to take it out and give it a fly. Oh guys, I don't think the governor's working. So I've plugged it into the computer, and if I turn this round here, look, you can see the magnets here going past the sensor. And every time it does that, look, it lights up. So it's definitely working, but I've obviously set it up wrong. So I don't really know what I'm doing here, guys. I thought I set it up right. These are the head speeds that I want, look, in the 3 different flying modes. Maybe I've put the wrong gear ratio in. I don't know. I think we're just going to take it for a fly and see. Maybe it just sounds like it's revving too high because there's no blades on there. So we'll get it in the air, see what happens. And then if it revs too high, I suppose we're going to have a little play with it. But I do have the Bluetooth app on this phone here, so I can actually set it up when I'm down at the field. Guys, we're on location. We're going to see if we can fly it for the first time. No idea if the governor's working or not. Haven't sorted the glow plug out yet, but we can use this one. Wet in the right way. Yep. Alright. Get those shots before it's in the ground. Quite easy the other day. Oh. The governor's working. A little bit too high on the governor. Look. Oh, the throttle hold kills the engine. Run in fast, it'll be fast. What's going on there? I'm killed the glow plug already, haven't I? I think we need a new glow plug, guys. I went got a bit excited too soon. I'm just editing that video and you can't hear a word I'm saying because it was so windy. But anyway, guys, what I was trying to say was that I got a little bit too excited too soon, and it was running, I think, too lean, and it knackered the glow plug. So when we take the glow starter off, the engine quits. So I've got to put a new glow plug in, and then we're going to take it out for another fly in a video very soon. So make sure you subscribe and smash the bell to stay notified.